Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the rescue mode on your XPeng vehicle. So, I am on the XPeng 7 Plus Performance. Here, what you guys need to do is click on the vehicle. Now, we will need to go to the vehicle section, so the first one at the top, and scroll down until you guys see the vehicle mode. Here you will have the rescue mode. And as you guys can see, when using a trailer for rescue, the tires of the vehicle must be kept off the ground. So this is basically the notice on how to use it, like please turn on the rescue mode, then tow the vehicle onto the flatbed. After the vehicle is stable, put it in P gear. After turning on the rescue mode, the vehicle will be in N mode and cannot be switched to D or R mode. So here you guys can enable it. It will work the same way. Basically, you can just turn it on or turn it off, and that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.